makes the most of buying their washing liquid from Nutrimetics? That's me. Over 30 years. Have not bought washing liquid off a supermarket shelf for 30 plus years. And I also love that it's got a lot going for it. So you can buy it in a big 5 litre size, which I always put the date on, and I get it 5 to 6 months out of this. So I don't have to think about ordering or buying washing liquid for 5 to 6 months. If you are someone who would like to try a smaller 1 litre, then you can certainly do that as well. You've got options. So 1 litre or your 5 litre. Why do I love it so much? Firstly, it's liquid and it will dissolve better into your clothes, a liquid in opposed to a powder. It can be used with hot or cold water. It is particularly good for people that are sensitive skin, which is why I started using it, gosh, over 30 years. My daughter was about 2, had the worst eczema and everything irritated her skin. And I was put onto this product and we have used it ever since. She now doesn't live with me and also uses it because she still will probably be someone who struggles with sensitive skin for the rest of her life. Another really big reason for me is that it has no chalk residue and no cardboard fibre in it. Now, most of your supermarket washing liquids have one or both of those ingredients in them. It's called filler. It makes the product weigh its size, and it's basically, making the product weigh and you're not getting a true product. So I love that the CLC is all free of chalk residue and cardboard fibre. So brilliant product. The fact that it does, I'm pretty sure it works out to be about 38 cents a load of washing, and even if there's a big family, 5 litres will still last you a lot longer and be a lot nicer on your skin than the ones off the supermarket shelf. So if you're not a lover of Nutrimetics CLC washing liquid, try it next time it's on special. I'm pretty sure that you'll come back for it again. And that's the beauty of having a membership. You get to save money on all your household items as well as your body and your skincare and your makeup. Win-win. There you go, something to think about. One more thing to add to your order. Washing liquid.